Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath. Welcome you all in the class of English. Student, we are going to start here the exercise of chapter 2, the master artist. Last week, you all studied chapter 2, the master artist, and I think you must have enjoyed the story, the way the painting was drawn, and the reaction by Bartoli, whose painting was made. That all, the secret in the way the artist made the painting, all that must have thrilled you and quite entertained you. So, today we are going to start this exercise, and it is very important to discuss the question answers so that through this discussion, your any confusion and doubts that is left in the mind will be clear, and you will be able to no doubt understand the whole concept of the story. So welcome once again to you in the class of English. Let us see what is in the exercise that you have been given to answer, and apart from the questions given in the exercise, we have some more questions that will no doubt clear and will entertain you. Any confusion that you have will be clear. You need not even pause because my memory is excellent. Do you think there was another reason? You see the line taken from the book, from the story. You need not even pause because my memory is excellent. This line was told by the artist, the master artist, to Bartoli. Now the question is, do you think there was another reason other than that he had a good memory? Was there other reason also? He told that he had a good memory, so Bartoli didn't need to give a pose so that the artist could make his painting. He told that you don't need to pose me because I have good memory. The question is, do you think that there was another reason other than he had a good memory? Why Sineleve told Bartoli that he did not have to pose for him? This is the question. The artist told Bartoli that he did not need his pose while making his portrait because he had a good memory. He assured Bartoli that without his pose, he would be able to make good painting. Actually, he was an old and experienced artist of his time, and he could do so, but this was not the only reason. Of course, he could make Bartoli's portrait in a beautiful way without watching his pose, without seeing his pose, but there was another reason. He told him that he did not need his pose. What was the other reason? Let's go and see and find out. Why did the artist tell Bartoli that he did not need to give his pose while he was going to make his painting? The artist wanted to make that painting in his own way, satisfying his long desired dream, the dream he had in his own mind to fulfill his own dream, his own artistic approach. He could not do so if Bartoli would have been there while making the painting. This was not possible in the presence of Bartoli. The art he wanted to use in that painting, Bartoli would not like. So he had put the condition not to come while he worked. While he was going to make his painting, nobody would come, not even Bartoli would come until the painting was finished. This is what here, that was the another reason he told Bartoli not to give any pose. He had strong memory, good memory. He would do his portrait in a very good way. Reason was different. Next, question number 2. why, according to Sennelier, was the painting taking so long. Monsieur Sennelier, here you can know very well, that is explained already here, L apostrophe ave is here for Sennelier. Monsieur Sennelier took so long to complete the painting. Bartoli came and peeped and asked him the reason of so, why he was taking so long, because month after month was passing and the painting was still continued. The artist answered him that he was following the way of his great teacher, means he was making the portrait following the art of his great teacher. He was taught by his great teacher Ambrosio Lorenzetti. That was the name of his teacher who had taught him the art, who had taught him the art of grinding pigment, laying plaster, sometimes slowly and sometimes faster. So here it will be faster, my dear, by mistake it is faster, and in this way he was taking time and it took so long a time. He had also taught him how to draw and most importantly not to hurry. He told that he was putting beyond fresco, that was a kind of expression, beyond fresco, which needed 4 coats of lime plaster. He gave the reason why he was taking so much time. He told Bartoli, he assured that it was the best plaster process and would last forever. So he told that it was time consuming process, and that's why it was taking time to complete the painting. Question that is next, how long the masterpiece take? Do you know why? The masterpiece took almost 6 months. The artist took so long a time because he was not making the painting what Bartoli wanted. Whenever Bartoli came and asked him how the work was going on, the artist replied that it was fine, but told him to have patience. The artist had put cubist expression, that was a kind of cubist expression, which was a modern art and used geometric shapes. In that geometric shapes he was making the painting. Let us see, student, question number 4. Giulio Bartoli stood for a minute. How was Bartoli feeling at this point? And how did he express his feelings? This is what here, after Bartoli had seen his painting, when the curtain was removed and Bartoli saw the painting that was made on the 20-foot tall wall in the dining hall. He stood for a minute. How did Bartoli feel and how did he express his feelings, how he felt? When Bartoli saw his painting, he stood bewildered for a minute. Then he began very angry. He, in fact, here started shouting at him. He couldn't understand what the artist had made. His mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. He had few hairs on his head, so just he held it, grabbed it, just to show his anger, to show his irritation after seeing his painting. So his eyes turned red and sorry, student, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. He did a little hop. He jumped also there, and then a twitch. These were of what here? The expression, he was feeling very angry, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. It was obvious that Bartoli didn't like his portrait. Not a bit. In fact, he was very much enraged, very much angry. Next question is there. You are not an artist, maybe a thief or a madman. Why did Bartoli look at his picture and feel that Sinhalese was not an artist? And why did he call him a thief or a madman, okay, instead of any other name? Why did he call him thief or a madman instead of other name? Bartoli knew that Sinhalese was a very famous artist and would make a painting of his life, what he dreamed. But when he saw the painting after completion, he could not understand what kind of painting the artist had made. In fact, he did not like the painting and became very angry. He had been waiting for a long, no doubt 6 months passed, and after 6 months he came to see his painting. So, long time had passed but became very disappointed. He expressed his anger, telling him a thief or a madman. Thief because he was going to take money for a work. He had worked and so he was going to take money for a work which he did not like at all. The Bartoli didn't like at all, as he could not understand the expression, what kind of painting he had made of his painting. So he called him a madman. This was what here that he told him, he called him a thief or a madman. I am sure that you must have understood these answers as I have explained you these answers. Now we will have some more questions in other class, online class, and in other video session. So till then, you learn these answers, write down in your copy, learn them all nicely. Thank you, student. Thank you being with me, all of you.